Hello and welcome to Your Support Legal. I am Advocate Dinesh Prasad, and in this video we are going to cover the appointment of Justice Uday Umesh Lalit as a Chief Justice of India. The President of India, in exercise of the power conferred by Clause 2 of Article 124 of the Constitution of India, has appointed Justice Uday Umesh Lalit or UU Lalit, the Judge of the Supreme Court, as the Chief Justice of India. Justice Uday Umesh Lalit will take over as the 49th Chief Justice of India on 27th August 2022. Justice Lalit will become the second Chief Justice of India to be directly elevated to the Supreme Court from the bar, after Justice S.M. Sikri, who served as the 13th Chief Justice of India in 1971. Justice Lalit has served as a member of the Supreme Court Legal Services Committee for 2 terms. Now, let us know something about the Chief Justice of India. Justice Lalit was born on 9th November 1957 at Solapur, Maharashtra. Justice Lalit was enrolled as an advocate by the Bar Council of Maharashtra and Goa in June 1983. He practiced in the High Court of Bombay till December 1985, before shifting to the practice to Delhi in January 1986. Justice Lalit worked in the chamber of Soli J. Subarji from October 1986 till 1992 and was on the panel of lawyers for the Union of India during the period Soli J. Subarji was Attorney General of India. From 1992 till 2002, Justice Lalit practiced as an advocate on record and was designated as senior advocate by the Supreme Court in April 2004. He was appointed as Judge of the Supreme Court of India on August 2014 from the bar. He was also appointed amicus curiae, means the friend of the court, in many important issues, including forest matters, vehicle pollution of the Yamuna, etc. He was appointed as the Special Public Prosecutor for CBI under the orders of the Supreme Court to conduct trial in all 2G matters. Thank you. So this was all about the newly appointed UU Lalit as the Chief Justice of India. Thank you.